I'm looking forward to Thyme because Ray said he'd do a poem at my graveside. And it's going to be one of mine. So he said he'd read this one for me, so I thought I'd do it now while I'm still alive. It's called Old Dog, New Tricks. The dog's in the loo! We was teaching him to pee! And he just fell in. Thank you. And I've been crying Ray at the graveside. This is a tanka. You notice the progression from haiku to tankas? It's called One Big Step. Same little girl. Vest on, inside out, 2 legs in 1 knicker hole, shoes on back to front. I dressed myself by myself. So I see, so I see. I was very fortunate to have a head injury. I became paralysed. The fortunate bit is that I'm no longer paralysed. I had stopped writing for 15 years, not because of the head injury, but just because I stopped writing for 15 years. The minute I got paralysed, I wanted to speak, I wanted to talk. And this is the first poem I wrote when I came back after my 15 years absence. It's called, I was really bad at maths. You may know, parallel lines do not meet. Do you know that, Ray? Oh. Yeah? Well, I'll tell you that. Annalie used to always say to me, Donall, you know, she'd come up and say, chat shit to me like, you know, you know, the spirit, the opposite side of the, all that sort of stuff. I go, Pythagoras, me. And also, I just don't like maths. So, parallel lines do not meet. Happiness is not a mathematical formula that one can apply to supply an answer. Rather, it is the sum of who you are multiplied by who you're willing to be. Happiness, like mathematics, is something I was never, ever any good at, and always made me weep with equal parts desperation, exasperation, and frustration, or death for short. For example, if it took a man a lifetime to dig himself into a hole, how long would it take for half the man he used to be to dig himself out again? Questions such as this only cause me grief. In mathematics, like Latin, which I could also never know, I would cheat and repeat words full of sound and no sense, e.g., the cares of the hippopotamus are equal to some of the cares that the other 2 hippopotami can find. Happiness, like mathematics, was all Greek to me. I don't know, that's all I know. But I do know that happiness happens every now and then. The only trick is to be aware that it's there, and that parallel lines do meet at infinity. I won't tell you my pet name for Ray or his one for me. It's far too embarrassing altogether. It should be brought up in public. Shh. Dublins. Right. Goes like this. Pet names. He called her Yum Yums. She called him Cutie Wootie. Now just bastard, bitch.